Hey everyone. Did you know about the new and improved SARS platform? Yeah, SARS has introduced a new version of SARS on a new platform. I am so excited to check it out and see all the amazing features it has to offer. This is due to the old SARS version being an outdated technology, also making your filing experience easier and more convenient. Who can submit on this new platform? Users may submit on the old SARS version for the 2024-08 biannual filing season or the new re-platform version. Employers will be using the old SARS for the last time in the 2024-08 filing season. The new SARS will be used for the final reconciliation 2025-02. We are encouraging employers and tax practitioners to familiarize themselves with the new and improved SARS platform. The SARS re-platform is an upgrade to the Flex version featuring enhanced security features and aligning to SARS branding. What can I expect from the new SARS? While functionality has been retained, you have the following to look forward to. Improved and up-to-date technology has been used in the development of the application. Taking advantage of new technology and modern hardware, the new SARS offers better performance and an improved user experience. Easier navigation and data capture experience have been prioritized with a new look and feel. A full installation with every software update is a thing of the past. The introduction of modular updates reduces download size and update time. Quick links to related functionality has been introduced to remove the need to continuously navigate through multiple menu items. Enhanced user maintenance functionality to add and remove users and restrict functionality. Feel free to explore our newly updated SARS re-platform. Click the download button and install it without hesitation. Let's get our recons done quickly and easily with our new SARS re-platform. Hashtag SARS re-platform. Hashtag SARS. SARS, at your service.